To test your coins by weighing them, you'll need a digital scale accurate to at least 1/100th of a gram, and you'll need to know how much your coin is supposed to weigh. Here on the channel, when I showcase a coin, I put the specs, including the weight, at the end of each video. Another quick way to find out what your coin is supposed to weigh is by looking it up on Numista.com. As with every other testing method, when you test for fakes, I highly recommend simultaneously testing a known authentic for comparison. Because of the fact that weighing a coin is one of the most common tests, many modern counterfeits are made to weigh pretty accurately. That's why it's important to always use multiple testing methods. The weight test usually goes hand in hand with the dimensions test, because when you test a fake, if it weighs accurately, it will likely measure larger than it's supposed to. If it measures accurately, it will likely weigh less than it's supposed to. This is because the materials used to make fake coins are less dense than silver or gold, which means they take more volume to achieve the same weight. If a coin weighs significantly less than it's supposed to, you can assume it's fake, like this peace dollar. Keep in mind that the weight of an authentic coin can depend on condition. For example, an uncirculated Morgan or peace dollar should weigh around 26.73 grams with a weight tolerance of plus minus 1/10 of a gram. A very worn piece or Morgan can weigh as much as 1 gram underweight, somewhere around 25.7 grams, sometimes even less. Even smaller coins will weigh differently depending on condition. All silver quarters are supposed to weigh 6.25 grams, like this Washington quarter. But this very worn standing Liberty quarter weighs 0.25 grams less. Both are genuine coins. In summary, when testing a fake coin, if it weighs accurately, it will likely measure larger than it's supposed to. If it measures accurately, it will likely weigh less than it's supposed to. Be sure and watch the other methods for testing your coins here on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.